Horses out while win and glory. One slow out, we've got security check. Danari inside his color, my world. Racing in third position, green lane, be cool. And a long way back to win and glory. Security check, the leader by about 2.5 lengths. Color, my world in second, 3 lengths away in third, green lane. Danari inside, be cool. And a long way back to win and glory. That's still security check by about 4 lengths now. Color, my world still in second, be cool. Now moving up by the to take third alongside Port, green lane, and win and glory. Yeah, that's still security check. Goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Color, my world remains in second, be cool in third, green lane. Now trying to get closer on the outside Port, then followed by win and glory. Yeah, that's still security check, followed by Color, my world. Be cool is done on the inside third, then followed over now by green lane. Security check still in front and on the outside. Color, my world moving up green lane on the outside. Big cool is done on the inside as they come down at the last 150. Security check moving up green lane on the outside. Color, my word, green lane now takes the lead, and in second security check, be cool, Color, my world. We have green lane this time by our lane carry up. Be cool in second, Color, my world, security check, entering the finish line. It's green lane, second, be cool, security check, then comes Color, my world, win and glory.
Magka-couple, green lane and be cool in a 1-2 finish for race number 2, pero magiging datingan natin